world of wonder. Here you can write a poem about anything that inspires you. Will you travel through history? Write about your favourite sport or hobby? Explore nature or the seasons? Or enter a world of imagination? Use the worksheet to help you plan your poem. Choose one of these ideas to write about, pick your own, or your teacher might suggest one for you. Decide if you want to use a poetic style or include any poetic techniques. Here's our acrostic poem about a magical creature using simile. Dragons breathe fire, roaring loudly, as big as a mountain, green scales shimmering, orange eyes like amber gems. Never steal from a dragon. Your poem could be published in a real book, and the top 10 writers will each win an awesome prize bundle with all of these goodies and more. You could also win £1,000 for your school. Unleash your imagination and write your poem for a world of wonder.